There's 3 bears right there. Oh, man. And there's a 4th bear right there. Holy. How's your dad? Gotta get the dryer ready today. Get it running. She's dead or what? No, they're not. Look at it. Perfect. Yeah. Oh, it's boosting.
Should I try right away?
Probably.
It's completely dead. Like,
is it?
Guess what I found?
What?
There's a master switch.
Oh. Did you try that?
No, I didn't. That's probably why it has no power.
Gotta start this thing today, right now, for the dryer to start working. Cut up to our greens. So,
Get this cold start.
you want to get the cold start?
Wait, you're supposed to fire up already.
Oh! It goes to high idle right away. It doesn't have a low idle. One RPM and that's it. There we go. Try some oats. Right to the dryer. Is it gonna start?
It should. Got
Always a bunch of alarms, eh?
Every time you shut it off, turn it on. Fill dryer. Start filling. It's on.
He already put a load of oats into this bin. One of these bins. The small one. Oh yeah. Got an issue though. There's no grain going through. Must not be plugged. There's our download. Hey, we got it, right?
I think so. Cool. See right here.
We probably should have checked it before we dumped the oats in there, eh? Well, there we go.
It's feeding it full.
Organic oats, eh?
Organic.
Go do a tractor review or what?
Good.
You're the one that's been running it the whole time. So, we ended up buying that tractor that we demoed, but we got a newer one with 20 hours on it. Every time we demo something, it seems to stay on the farm, huh?
Except case.
Except case.
Remember how to start this thing?
You're the one that did it.
You gotta push the clutch in right away.
Fancy.
Keep saying that warning, machine service was due, but said to ignore it. They're gonna reset it. I don't know what this means, but he said to hit enter. Cross gate lever will be assigned front loader function. I don't know. I'm guessing it's something to do with that. With the front loader being hooked up.
Oh yeah.
Then he made a profile for the auger, but you just hit last settings. If you don't, your hydraulics get all weird and shit. It resets it to a different setting. And then I learned you have to hit that before you get out of the seat with the PTO on, otherwise it'll shut off with a full auger.
Oh yeah.
In like, I don't know, 20 seconds after you jump out. And then, I don't know.
Lots of buttons.
Way too much. Or now I got the up and down for the auger, for the lift on here. You can use it here or here.
Oh really?
And then to lock the swing, you could do it here or here. It's all, the hydraulics are on. Or you can just do it here.
Huh.
This is your speed. To control your speed. Because all you do is press the gas pedal. So you can see right here. Oh, right here. You could set it to go higher, but whatever you want to set it at. And then this is your RPM.
Yeah.
I don't know. Seems to be a good tractor. We're gonna load some bales with it once we're.
We haven't even took it on the road or in the field yet, have we?
Nope.
Yeah. So we don't even know how it drives.
But it's still not a John Deere. It's not as comfortable.
Yeah.
But I mean, the suspension is way smoother. But
We don't know. We don't even know that yet.
Well, it's just driving it in the field or in the yard here. It's like a boat.
Oh yeah.
You got suspension up and down there. It was on here. I don't know why it's not working. Changed it. Probably did. Right here. Oh, it's locked, that's why.
This thing has more features than our vehicle.
What the heck? It's not moving.
Broke?
It's unlocked.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, there
it's
you
moving.
go. Yeah, up and down.
This loader has scales too.
Yep. Scales are, hit this button here. Figured it out. You gotta have your angle all the way in.
Yep.
All you do is hit this button right here. And now it's moving, the loader moves up and down slowly. It's gonna,
And it weighs it.
down, and then it pops up here.
0 pounds.
0 pounds. This was earlier.
Was that you? 373 pounds?
Me and Dad weighed ourselves, so that's me and Dad put together.
Oh.
I think you can.
Your dad's like 160 pounds soaking wet.
Well, he said he's 170, but this thing weighed him, I think, at 163.
Oh.
I can tell you somewhere
Probably
in
on
here.
a diet.
Where's the history? I don't know how to use this yet, but there should be a page to show you what each one scaled in at. But here, we'll zero everything out. There. Now it's 0.
Your favorite part's probably the PTO outside, eh? So, nice feature for this.
You can turn it on right now.
You can turn on the PTO, press and hold it. RPMs will go up. Use some hydraulics. Instead of jumping in and out of the tractor all the time, which is pretty neat. Pretty neat. Filling. Getting dusty. Anyways, he's gonna take care of the dryer all day. I gotta go get the sprayer ready and go spray some canola. Last year we had an oopsie. Dryer caught on fire from oats. Our oats was too dirty, so it clumped up, started burning. That would not be fun if that dryer burnt down. We are taking some parts off the sprayer. These things are hitting the crop. Wasting canola. We're gonna take those off. We are spraying canola, drying down some really not good looking second growth canola in the north area of the farm. This stuff out here is gonna set us back pretty good. This is really shitty crop. Really poor crop in north area of the farm. Down south it looks a lot better. But yeah, we gotta dry it down because there's so much green in it. We're not gonna be able to combine it if we leave it without spraying it. So we gotta kill all the green in it, and then we'll come back in a week or two and combine it. The combine's finished the wheat a couple days ago, and then they started on the canola, the oats. So that's why we got the dryer going. All the oats is all wet, green and wet. So they're having fun with that. They ran into some really wet stuff today. The straw's all wet. But yeah, I got another 5,000 or 6,000 acres of canola to spray. Oh, this looks terrible. Here, I'll show you guys what the canola should look like. Nice and tall, almost hitting the bottom. That's what it should look like. This is some nice stuff. About like 10-20% of the field. And I'll show you guys what some bad stuff looks like. This is what a very poor crop looks like. Look at that. Got a couple few feet of clearance there. This is about 80% of the fields up north. This looks like garbage. Yeah, that is not ideal. But gotta do it. Gotta get it off either way. Dropping, chopping. Yeah, I need you.
Doesn't seem too bad. Just gotta pick at it. A lot of picking already. Just gonna keep on picking away, and then hopefully we can get her free, get her going again.
Oh man, she's plugged right up. All this shit will not come out. I gotta climb in here. Back in business. I threw him in the rotor, and he went and unplugged it for me, and we're good to go. Well, just left the field to go home, and we have issues. Oh man, these automatics are getting annoying. They don't work half the time. But we're gonna do the old party trick. Where is the master switch? Oh, there they are. That's probably the easiest way to fix things anytime something breaks. Hold on, off. Alright. Oh. that. Fixed it. Good to go.